Hello everyone. Thanks for joining us today. It feels good to be back. Firstly, on behalf of the entire iQOO family, thanks to all the viewers for joining us today from different parts of India. I hope you and your loved ones are doing great and following all the precautions. Today, we are bringing you two models under the iQOO 7 series, the iQOO 7 Legend and the iQOO 7. With iQOO 7 series, we have razor-sharp focus on extreme performance and supremely immersive gaming experience. I am thrilled to tell you, just like iQOO 3, the iQOO 7 series will be one of the fastest smartphones in their respective segments. Our latest innovation, dual chip. We all know the gaming PCs have dedicated GPUs apart from a powerful processor. Sounds familiar, right? Wouldn't you want to have that dedicated chip in your iQOO smartphones too? We are very excited to tell you more about this innovation, but I leave that task for Raghav. So without any further delay, let's take you through the product features. May I welcome our product manager, Raghav Mehra, on stage.
Hello everyone. It's so good to be on stage after one complete year, and what a year it has been. It was 12 months ago when we launched the iQOO 3, and here we are again, launching another series that promises to redefine your mobile gaming experience forever. Without making you wait anymore, let's start with unveiling the latest monster. 7 brings you the dual chip monster, one for performance, one for display. 7 comes with the super efficient Qualcomm Snapdragon 870. Lag, what's that? We are happy to introduce segment first intelligent display chip. Thanks to this chip, the game frame rate and other color optimization happens automatically, making sure every player can enjoy high FPS and vivid detail. So for such a strong performance, what's the score? Well, it got an unbelievable AnTuTu score of 7,12,462. 7 is also equipped with UFS 3.1. Compared to its previous generation, the random write speed of the new version is improved by more than 21%. iQOO 7 comes with an extended RAM feature which enables users to use part of ROM memory as extra RAM. To simply put, the performance of an 8GB RAM works as 11GB RAM, and similarly, 12GB RAM works as 15GB. iQOO 7 comes with 66 watt flash charge technology, ensuring a complete 0 to 100% charge in just 30 minutes. We also got a huge 4400 mAh battery, so every one of you can immerse in your task without worrying about the battery drainage. And iQOO 7 with 120Hz AMOLED display for smoother and immersive visual experience. Talking about the other parameters of display, iQOO 7 has 1300 nit peak brightness and 60:1 color contrast ratio to make the screen brighter and more colorful. To summarize the extreme performance of iQOO 7, it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 5G mobile platform with enhanced UFS 3.1, extended RAM, super system process, 66 watt flash charge, and 120Hz AMOLED display. To summarize the ultra gaming experience, we have intelligent display chip, 6000 mm² graphite layer full coverage liquid cooling, 300Hz touch sampling rate, 4D game vibration with linear motor, and surround sound with dual speaker. iQOO 7 offers a superior and rich camera experience to capture everything around with utmost clarity and detail. iQOO 7 has a triple rear camera system, the 48MP main camera that uses Sony IMX598 sensor along with optical image stabilization. The 13MP wide-angle camera will make sure you capture more with 120-degree FOV and 2.5cm macro shot to bring out the tiniest detail. And the mono camera that can make the portrait shot more artistic, for example, the black and white. To summarize the camera bit, we have 48MP OIS main camera, ultra stable mode, pro sport mode, pixel shift ultra HD imaging, and extreme night vision. iQOO 7 will be available in two striking colors, the storm black and the solid ice blue. iQOO 7, let me call Shankar on stage to introduce the legend.
Hi everyone, My name is Shankar Singh, Product Manager, ICO India. As Raghav already mentioned, the motive of my presence on stage. So without wasting any time, let me show you the legendary edition of ICO 7 series. This is the ICO 7 Legend, and to justify its name, it has many legendary features preloaded in it. Starting from the design, when it comes to holding, the curve of the middle frame is the first thing that we touch and feel. So we chose the cutting edge design with marine aluminium to make the premium and iconic appearance. The iconic tricolor and the element from the racetrack are demonstrated on the back of this design marble. The pure white matte surface and the spatial twill textures used in the part of AG matte glass comes with 3D visual effect and the brand new touch feeling. ICO 7 Legend brings the industry leading performance along with enhanced version of LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1. This is the smallest 5 nanometer chip. The Snapdragon 888 has increased the CPU performance by 25% and GPU performance by 35% in comparison to its predecessor. With all of this, ICO 7 Legend get the highest Antutu score ever in India, which is 8,31,200. The flash charge of ICO 7 Legend is the fastest phone in India to charge 100% in just 22 minutes. Isn't it unbelievable? Not just this, ICO 7 Legend is also loaded with many other top class features. Compared to other VC soaking plates, it has 4096 mm² of largest vapor chamber liquid cooling system. Now to summarize the Legend, it has legendary racetrack design, true flagship 888 processor, 66 watt flash charge technology, 4096 mm² of largest vapor chamber liquid cooling system to keep your Legend always cool, in-display monster touch for seamless gaming experience, and last but not the least, the 48 megapixel main camera with OIS. Now it's time for the most awaited moment of this launch, the price reveal.
Let's reveal the price of these two monsters. Let's start with the ICO 7. The ICO 7 will be available in 3 variants.
To sweeten it further, here are the exclusive pre-order offers.
Let's see the price of ICO 7 Legend. The ICO 7 Legend will be available in 2 variants, and here are the prices.
So guys, here are the attractive launch offers of ICO 7 Legend.
Both the devices will be available on iQOO.com and Amazon with pre-order starting from 1st May. And we are also happy to announce that all ICO devices are made in India at our shared manufacturing facility with Vivo in Greater Noida. For after-sales service, all the ICO users will be able to get their devices taken care of at select Vivo service centers so that one does not have to travel too long to get their devices repaired if the situation ever arises. Thank you for joining us for the launch today. I hope to see you very soon. iQuest
On and on.
on.